Good morning, guys. Let's see. Okay. I had too many volumes up. How are we doing this morning? I know. I'm like I said, I've been trying to do some more research on the VIX thing, so we're definitely going to be paying more attention to the VIX lately. That way we can kind of prepare for that high volatility market this morning. So just remember, you know, your little 20, 30 point stop losses will probably get wrecked today. You think we go higher if Nasdaq closes above the 27 reversal from 20K? Dude, I held that short that you said yesterday for almost the whole way down yesterday. I blew up my consistency rule on my account on that 25K. I didn't realize that I had a 50% consistency on that account. Like the max I could make was $500 and we ended up making like $1,700. So now I have to make $3,400. I got to make another $1,700 to pass that freaking 25K because we held it for that long yesterday. We held it forever. I think I held that trade when you said get short. I held it until I had to leave my house at 12. So we held it forever yesterday. Ooh, let's see. The opener's not going to be a great one to take this morning. Unless you downsize, maybe. We're already at 70 points, and you really don't want this candle to be more than 30 to 40 points, 50 points max. So we'll probably stay away from the opener this morning with that 15-minute pop. So it's just too big. I mean, you can take it, but like I said, your stop loss is probably going to have to be 40 points. Let me see. What is that? 20 to 89. How many points is that? 70? So you'll have to have a 35-point stop loss if you're willing to take that, which we are not. We're going to stay away from it. Let's see. Make sure all the settings are okay. Just want to make sure settings are good. I'm streaming to so many freaking different places, so have to get that fixed. Yeah, I do like the downsize methodical. The only thing I don't like about the downside is it heading into the whole number. But man, you're probably going to take it. I mean, I guess I could do it with 3 micros. I mean, that'd be the only way I'm willing to take it. is probably to the downside. Let's see. Let me get the Methodical Man stream up there. Yeah, I don't know. We may just wait and see what the market does. Usually, like I said, over 50 points, I'm not a fan of taking it. Good trading session yesterday. There's nothing worse than having a good trading session the day before and you run it the very next day. To me, that's the worst. So no reason to run the day after. That's usually the worst. Because we were green across all accounts yesterday. The only thing we missed out on is whenever we hit that copy trade. That was probably the only thing we really missed out on yesterday. So we're just going to stick to our normal trading setup today as far as the... I mean, I guess I could do it on one of the other accounts that I don't have a lot of profit on. Just, I don't know if I want to copy trade. Let's see here. What count could we do? 26, 23, 27. So I think that's what we could do. How about that? You lost your last 10 bucks? Are you talking about the high volatility WK? This volatility is insane. Yeah, it was a winner yesterday morning. It's very hard right now to be over leveraged, guys. If you're so like even with the, you know, I've been trying to like learn more about the VIX. Anytime I would see anytime the VIX is around this 20 or above, that's considered high for volatility. And so we're going to probably have a lot more just craziness again today. I usually keep to the more like just slow, grindy type thing instead of just, that usually works best for me. You know, I'm not someone that's going to be over here copy trading across 20 accounts, trying to make, you know, spending thousands and thousands of dollars through prop firms. You know, I usually just do it very slowly. I try my best not to over leverage. You know, most of my days we're just on a few micros and just try to trade across multiple accounts. We try to rotate through accounts because we're trading what, 4, 7, usually about 9 different accounts is usually what we're trading on a daily basis. I did try to do a copy trade yesterday, but the copy trade, I select the wrong instrument and I didn't get the winner across all accounts. But with this range being 70 points, I usually only have a very strict 20-point stop loss. So we're willing to only risk. So right now on this account, we're only going to risk $160. So, and it's a straight mechanical. Whatever happens, it happens. And we're just looking for just a quick 10 points. Then after that, we just kind of go to normal trading where we're looking. I haven't really looked at the pivots yet today. I don't even. Next pivot's all the way at what, 29,000? So then the other one's all the way down at 400. So shoot. So I guess that was the 29,000 we hit. Let's see, 29,056. That's really the only close pivot we have. Excuse me. You're selling on green candle once it breaks the highs on the 15 minutes. You're talking about high of day. So I guess that would be what, up there above the 29,1050, above that previous day close. Or are you talking about the previous day high of the daily candle? Which, that's way up there. Previous day highs up there at 847. Previous day low is down at 28,227. I don't know. Okay, we still got a few minutes. You would think that we'd want to drop down some this morning. Just because we got this huge gap fill in all the way back from the data wick this morning. We haven't ran that data wick low. So this is your CPI number here. So you would think that we would want to run that data wick this morning. Yeah. Definitely not a fan of the opening range play this morning. It's in that weird spot where it's sitting right between whole numbers. And I hate taking trades in the whole numbers. So I don't recommend taking this one this morning for anybody. We're trading on one of the accounts that we have less profit on. And we're going to be just risking the $160 on this account. Then we'll just put it away for the rest of the day. No, I've never had to get a hold of Tradeify. Straight mechanical trade, guys. So whatever happens, happens. All right. Instant gratitude. Instant gratitude. I mean, it's just that simple. Like I said, just straight mechanical. What? Ah, did I? What the heck? It didn't give me my 80 bucks. I don't know what happened. That only gave me 30 bucks. What the heck? Use the sell limit to trigger. Yeah, sometimes whenever I use that, not really sure why I didn't get my full profit on that trade. Yeah. Kind of disappointed. All right, guys, we're going to have to sit on our hands for a few. We'll just kind of wait and see what happens with this 5-minute candle. Let's see. It's just whipping pretty insane right now, so just kind of have to wait for it to settle down. We got 2 minutes left before the next 5-minute candle. We're going to be patient and wait for the next 5-minute candle. I mean, we got this data wick down here. I just don't want to get like instantly stopped out with these 20-point, 40-point pullbacks like this. I mean, that's like an instant wreckage for me. Yeah, you would think that we'd want to retest this, take out this data wick. It's just your stop losses right now, man. It was just an insane stop loss. We're going to wait for this next 5-minute candle. Whew. That candle I would have been wrecked on. That thing whipped up there almost freaking 60 points. Come on. That was a nasty. Godly. Almost, it's about to be a 100.5-minute candle, man. Come on. That is just insane. Godly, man. Come on. Why is this so nasty? What's up, Dap? How are you doing? Woof. A lot of time left on this candle. Wow. This is 100 and what? 25, 30 point candle, 50 point candle. It's just insane right now. It's like I'm trying not to get FOMO and just try to jump into this to try to take my points, man, because it's only we're only 2.5 minutes into this candle and it's already over 100 points. What happens if you jump in it too late and you chase it, you'll end up with this huge wick pullback and just get smashed. Ooh. Nice ripper here. What is that? 171. Almost a 200.5 minute candle, guys. Wow, what a rip. Remember, guys, VIX is very high today. VIX is around a 20. So you're going to have pretty insane price action today. What's going to suck if you're on the wrong side of the move. If you get on the wrong side of the move, it might even be just best just to close it, and because what these candles being this large, just so hard to sit through drawdown. It's making me not even want to touch my funded accounts today, because I feel like I'm trading usually most of the day on 20 point stop loss, and 20 points is nothing with this. I mean, that's what, almost a 75 point wick. -minute breaks the highs. Just broke the VWAP here. Oh, no, I can't move my stop loss. Ugh. Oh. I might have got my stop loss hit. Fuck yeah, I did. Look at that. Just fucking wicks are insane. Oh, shit. I couldn't even get my stop loss move. It happened so fast. That was effing insane. Oh, no selling on red candles. Yeah, that was insane. Instant death. Lost my profits from this morning. Damn. Right there at the pivot. Dude. This price action is nuts today. Yeah, this is nuts. We're just going to end up just sitting on the sidelines with this stuff, man. What sucks about this short here, man, this is actually a setup that I look for sometime, and it's whenever you get to pull back into our opening 15-minute candle. So low, high, pull back 50%, then blast. Like I said, the ATR is so insane right now, guys, that it's almost it's almost impossible to try to take these damn things. Oh goodness. Was anybody fortunate enough to be long here? Nice long, man. You got the previous day high up there at 847. There's no way I can consider shorts at the moment. Oof. There's your pivot. Ugh. Chasing these candles, man, are just death sentences for my 25K accounts, though. It would have to be like on a new candle. There's just no way for me to chase this 5-minute candle. $50-point pullback. Oh, goodness, man. There's just no way. Oh, goodness. We're trading micros on the NQ, but we're pretty much just watching, man. The ATR is so high on these candles. There's really no way of having like good stop loss without just risking a good portion of your account when you're trading on small accounts. This price action is not great for small accounts. I think even if you do join, I mean, you almost have to pop in this perfect. I lost $3 on that one. The runner stop loss has to be so big. All right, this will be the last trade on this funded. I'll try above this pivot here. Push. Wow. Okay. That puts us $9 in the red trying to get that shit. We're not going to enter the third times, even if it just blasts 100 points. All right, I'm probably not going to do any more funded trades this morning. This price action is just, I mean, a 30-point stop loss is nothing today, guys. You almost got to have like a 100-point stop loss. Ugh. Inside bar, come on. Inside bar. I thought it was funny. Oh, we weren't even on a funded account. I was actually on an eval. I thought I was trading a funded there. It was actually an eval. Yeah, BB Runner, this crap is insane this morning, man. You just cannot have, you would need almost like a 1 micro stop loss. You just have, well, at least a 50-point stop loss. This is an inside bar, so I mean, it's supposed to, but you almost have to have a 100-point stop loss. Looks like it's creating a little bull flag here, though. Only thing is your stop loss. It's going good today. We're $9 in the red. We tried a few trades, but every single runner is, because I've had such like in 30 points of drawdown. So every single runner, because where my stop loss needs to be, has been just taking the profit that we make off the first couple contracts because of how big your stop loss has to be. So I tried this long on an eval twice already, but I'm not going to try it a third time. Now she wants to go. Nasty. Oh yeah, the VIX is like almost 20 this morning. I mean, dude, this, like, what is that? About 30? I mean, that's a 80-point wick. Yeah, I trade with 3 micros for most part, but like I said, today has just been insane, man. like I said, guys, we're just kind of sitting on our hands. The ATR is just so high right now. Most of these trades would just be like an instant death. Do we finally break the current open here at the 102? Looks all green today. We only got 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle, so there's really no reason to jump in at the moment. I mean, how long big is this candle here? So that's already a 100.5-minute candle, guys. Oh, goodness. Holy shit. This is what I mean by, like, there's just no way to trade this, man. Oh, my goodness. All right, we are strictly going to evals only today, guys. I'm not even going to touch this shit. What am I finding it? This stuff is just wild. It hasn't really nothing to do with it's moving. It's just the ATR is so high, and I use short stop losses. Usually about 20 points. So there's no way for me to trade this on small accounts. I don't need to be really, I don't usually care about all the why it's moving. I know the VIX is very high. And usually whenever it's, you know, around 20, the volatility is just insane. So more than likely, guys, we're probably just going to be sitting on our hands this morning, especially when it comes to our funded accounts. Everybody has their own opinion. Everybody's a little bit different. Yeah, that's fine. So we're only like I said, we're like $400 away from both of our payouts. So today with the ATR being so high, it's probably best for us to sit on our hands when it comes to our fundeds. There's just no way for me to have a massive stop loss. What is that? 71. We're still at about 100 points, a 5-minute candle. Don't do it methodical. Has anybody been taking any trades this morning? How's everyone doing today? Scalping's definitely been a little on the tough side today, guys. Whew. Like I said, we're just, we got stopped out on, not really stopped out. Basically, our runners got stopped out earlier. For some reason, I thought I was on a funded account earlier, but we were actually just on an evaluation account. That one trade that we took yesterday for what, 1,700? I think we're up 1,700. Unfortunately, I should have lost a lot of because I didn't realize that that account had a 50% consistency rule. So now the only way to pass it is I got to get to $3,400. So no way of passing that because it's only 825K and we're already at 26,730. So I think we have previous day high or oh, sorry about that. Is anybody currently in a trade now? I do hear Methodical Man over there trading, but man. Like I said, guys, we're going to probably just sit on our hands most of the morning until the market just kind of settles down. Hopefully after 11 o'clock, the volume will come down a little bit and make it a little bit more manageable to try to enter some of these. Back and forth, back and forth. Let's see. Let me see what time it is. Shoot, man. Thanks for the follow, Premise. How's your trading journey going today? Since we're trading on small prop firm accounts, guys, it's very hard to trade this because, you know, you just cannot have a 100-point stop loss, or you're just no way to put your stop loss where it needs to be with these size of a moves. And most of my stop loss are usually between 20 and 30 points. So this just no way for me to trade this. I mean, you can downsize to maybe 1 micro and maybe put your stop loss where it needs to be, but everything that I've entered had gotten stopped out on the runners. Maybe. Like I said, we're just $9 in the red. So basically what it is, we've hit our first target on these contracts, but we've had our stop loss at about 30 points. So just pretty much just sitting here watching price action, Prayer Kid. It's just the moves are just so big that it just doesn't work for my trading style. Well, it doesn't work very well on these small 25K accounts where, you know, you only get $1,500 of drawdown. You definitely would need a larger account to trade this price action. Like we tried a couple trades earlier on evals, and we were having, I think we were trying to use a 30-point stop loss around like that pivot, but both times it got stopped out. We would hit the quick first contracts pretty quick, but it just seems like it almost has that Asian market. Sorry about that, guys. To the moon. Maybe this. Nope. Sorry about the TikTok closing down, guys. I wasn't paying attention. You would think that we would bounce off the top of this 4-hour candle. This is the 4-hour high of the previous candle. Hmm. Ooh. Okay. What's up, Nick? You hit the 5-day buffer? Dude, nice for trying to even trade this crap. We haven't had any elusive funded trades today, guys. We've just been kind of sitting on our hands still. So we took a elusive eval trade earlier and made $3. We're actually in the red $9. So did you have to sit through any drawdown on this, Nick? This price action's insane this morning. Dude, I blew up the consistency rule on my freaking eval yesterday with that move to the downside. Dude, I ended up making like $1,700 on my eval yesterday. So we blew up the. I forgot about the elusive eval as having a consistency rule. So now I got to make $3,400 to pass about 25K eval. Man, I got to make another $1,700. Yeah, nice on hitting that 5-day buffer. I still need about 2 more trading days of $100 on one account. And we're about $400 away from that $1,000 mark and $480 on the other. Yeah, sorry, TikTok, about the charts closing down sometimes, guys. Like I said, if I'm not paying close attention, TikTok closes my live. How's the rest of your morning going, Nick? Maybe. Is this finally the dump? No, we still got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Does Luciv have 20? Let's see. I've only had one, I want to say one losing day on these funded accounts with Luciv. Well, at least this one I have. The last loss, I did take a loss, a red day on 526. I think that's been my only loss on these accounts. Wes, are you still here, Wes, before I explain that? I don't want to explain it if you left already. I don't know if I missed your message or not. Ooh. Kind of want to see the 20s hold up here. Don't mean they will. Man, 50-point pullback. Man. Wes, are you still in the lobby? No. Like I said, guys, we're still just sitting on our hands. The volatility is so high. I mean, we're getting like 100 and something to 200-point candles. There's just really not anything for us to do here. We pretty much have been riding this 9 EMA up all the way. Hopefully everybody's somewhat surviving today. So it's pretty much riding the 9 EMA up on the 5 minutes pretty much all morning. Oh, dude, the stop loss has to be massive today. Tall, we're still just kind of sitting on our hands this morning. We tried those couple little longs earlier, but like I said, every single runner got stopped out. So we're just going to sit on our hands. So maybe one micro trade or something right here. That is that previous 4-hour high though, right there at 67. The previous candle, not overall high, but just the candle. Tall, are you in a trade or are you just watching yourself? Wow, is this going to be the first 900 point 5-minute candle we get since we opened? Oh, goodness. Every single 5-minute candle has been about 100 points, guys. For this price action, we need a nano. We don't need even a micro. We need a nano, do some nano trading. We need a percent of a percent of micros. It's so high. Hopefully everybody has stayed safe today and not got caught in like some of this crazy price action. The whippiness have just been insane today. So what time is it? Almost, man, it's almost 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Okay, Wes, I kept asking if you're there with the about the drawdown question. No, I don't think they do. I just know they have nanos on Bitcoin. They have Bitcoin nanos that you can trade, and now that's why I was making that reference to. But with going back to your trailing drawdown question, so what happens with the trailing drawdown sometimes? This is the reason why it's harder to hold trades when using prop firms. So let's just say you get up 500 points or $500 and you don't take profit and you let it come back to break you even. That's the same as losing $500 of your drawdown. So that's why it's a little bit tougher when using prop firms if you're using trailing drawdown accounts. Now, they do have end of day drawdowns that you can use if you want to hold for those bigger trades. But that's why, like, you know, Tall is talking about, like, when he's talking about taking shorts, sometimes it's almost impossible for me to sit there and hold some of these, like, long shorts. For some reason, my volume went down. Hello? Okay. So we're still kind of bouncing off that pivot that we have marked out here at 56. Oh, you're thinking volatility is going to stay around for a few more weeks? Ugh. We did break like a little 5-minute trend line here to the downside. So, like, let's just say, Wes, you said you took this short here and you held it down to 56, and then it comes back and stops you out for break even. Like I said, that's the same as taking a loss on a trailing drawdown account. That's why a lot of people prefer the end of day. I'm not sure. I mean, I think it's just the way how prop firms work, man. They just don't want you holding, more or less. I'm assuming it's because they don't want you holding those trades all day for the bigger move. If you want to hold the bigger moves, you would have to get like a end of day account. That's why end of day accounts are usually a little bit more expensive. And that's why your trailing drawdown accounts are so cheap, are cheaper. Or you can do a static account, and static account means that you get a let's just say you start off with $1,000 of drawdown, that it never moves. So that means if you make $2,000, you got a $3,000 stop loss. The static drawdown doesn't follow you, or the end of day. So if that's something you struggle with the end of day, the static and a end of day would be your best choice, Wes. Or your own money, or, you know, own cash account. So if you're just joining us, guys, we're pretty much just sitting on our hands. These 5-minute candles are about 80 to 90 points, almost 100 points. So it's been making it very difficult to join on these candles. You would almost need to go in with one micro and maybe add into your position. You have a level previous day sellers are taken out. Oh. Nice on your quick scalp short, man. Yeah, if you can catch it at the right moment, dude, when it's falling, it's butter. But It's these 30 and 40 point pullbacks is what'll get you if you try to enter in. You almost like here, if 56 could wick back into 56 and 56 hold. But this could just be a 3 candle bull flag. Check the higher time frame for trend. Most definitely. Woo. It's the it's the pullbacks is the reason why I can't join in, guys, because we're playing on a 20 and 30 point stop loss, and there's just no way for me to take this. The volume is finally slowing down. Woo, look at that, man. That's like a 60 points pullback. Oh, goodness. Well, we did close below the pivot here. Oh, you're on the ES? The ES is probably the better of the day. I mean, ES looks like it's kind of selling off here. Sell next green. What do you mean you're selling the next green? So as soon as that candle goes in the green, you're already hitting the sell button? Is that what you mean by green when you say that? Man. God damn it. I can't have a bigger stop loss than what I got, so. All right. Whew. Whew, I was able to catch that with you, Tall. Ugh, took it right below that pivot, man. That pivot was my line in the sand. I could not withstand any more drawdown below that pivot. I know we had a lot of time on that 5-minute candle. I just wasn't sure what kind of bounce we would get at the current day mid. And with these big swings, I know I probably left a lot on the table, but that's okay. So we made $200 on the funded account because that was a funded trade. So that means we need less than $200 away from a payout with Elusive. So all right, let me get off that account so we don't make a mistake. Make a mistake and take another trade with that. Oof. Man, this thing's got a long ways to go. I need to see if, I don't think it does. I need to check and see if this Elusive has a consistency rule. I don't feel like it does, but it could be. Yeah, it does have a 50% consistency. So the most I can make is $500 on this account. So I'm cool with that. I made $200. So we made about, what's that? 25% consistency on that short. Nice, Wes, on your short, man. Tall, did you take the short also? Did I hit the buffer? No, I still need $200 more. Well, about $198 more, Nick. And I still need one more. I need one more $100 day. So I'm sitting at 25,811. So what is that? Roughly about 190 bucks. But hopefully we can get a little bit over that $1,000 buffer zone. That way, whenever we do take that money out, hopefully that we'll get a little bit bigger buffer. My other account, I wish we could find another trade on NID, but man, I don't want to be. You're holding nice tall. If I can find another entering a little bit on another funded account or of eval, I may take it, but we'll have to wait. It's already freaking 11 o'clock. No, I did not hit. Oh, Nick, I did not hit the buffer for the payout. I need $190. Sorry about that. Sinuses. Dude, it's either all good, you're on the right side, but man, if you're on the wrong side of these candles, it's probably best just to take your stop loss out and move. So like a while ago on that last short, 56 was my line in the sand. And that's at that gold line that you see. We can maybe switch over to a eval. I do got to make $1,700 on that freaking thing. I guess we can push that thing to the limits. That is there for, there's some guys in the stream that likes using the VWAP, and I got that on there for them. The VWAP. Let's see, what account do I got to make? $13. All right, we're switching over to evals, guys. Oh, I couldn't even move it. All right, I got to change my stop loss to. Now we are going to be going a little bit heavier with this account. Like I said, this is that one we kind of messed up yesterday. All right, we're switching over to evals. May get stopped out on the two runners here too, so. Push. Sounds good, Tall. Have a great evening. Push. All right. First target. I get distracted. Oh, goodness. We're at the previous day low from the other day. That's what we're getting stuck on. What's up, Raul? How are you doing? So this is a previous day low from Monday. So previous day low from Monday. So if we get through this, you should get a nice push. We're bouncing at it. Sounds good, Tall. Thanks for hanging out and sharing information. Where did you get short from, Nick? Hopefully you didn't get short at the bottom. Ugh. Oh, nice. Sweet score, Nick. Waiting on $2,000 in payouts, man. Congrats. I'm hoping to hit at least $1,000 payout in the next week or so with my Lucif accounts. So I'm like 100. I got my fourth $100 trading day. I need one more $100 trading day and $200 in profit for 500, and I need about 480 on my other account. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully in the next week or two. $1,000. I only got to make $1,000 to get a payout. Now, with that eval, I got to make $3,400 on a 25K. So this is that one we're in a short right now. So we're up $400 right now. So we're going to really push that thing. So the 25K, the largest one's got 25,800 in it. And the other one's got 25,500. Oh, what a nasty wick that is. Ooh, we would have to get through 732. We should definitely be on the stream tonight, guys. Yesterday I was so tired, man. I think I was asleep by like 6:30 or 7 last night. I fell asleep. It was such a long day yesterday. Thank you guys all for watching today. Sorry, TikTok about my stream closing down earlier. like I said, if I don't keep a close eye on my TikTok stuff, it will shut down. But thank you guys for watching. We got to get ready to go to My Funded Futures in about 10 to 15 minutes. And we will see you tonight if we don't see you on My Funded Futures. So thank you guys. Sorry about the slow price action this morning. It was very tough to enter some of this morning. So the entries, it almost has to be perfect on the entries. Like, it's so hard to enter this stuff today. Sounds good, Nick. Have a good day if you're out there if you're working today, if you're on the road or something. Congrats on the $2,000 in payouts, man. That's awesome. Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes we just have those slow months. The hard part. Oh yeah, I didn't get a payout for May either. So May I struggled. And plus I was out of town for a whole week, so I missed a whole week of trading. So hopefully this month we can at least get to 1 to 2,000 in payouts ourselves. So man, if we can lose 659, it should be downtown here. All right, guys, have a good one.